Yenuaba Patricia Asidua Nidia ni papi di nimu ye frɛ no Agradaa. Ye no mo ka say ye checks kyerɛ sɛ oni Nsawam female prison. Inti yenuaba ɛna wafa.
Moja na wona tade mu sa no. We are live on Facebook Angel 102.9 and a DJ Ohima also on TikTok. Eti na twese wo kɔ na sɛ won san ka ne a wo hwehwɛ no na wo san ba sɛ bia wo ba ba juice ka na ya che wa hwe.
Wo ba we si ho ba. Ya ompo no ma na so na efiti.
Tenu ne ehu.
Na de ha adwen ba akwa me de be kyerɛ sɛ wo de se ka abu omo chi no.
Sa.
Me ba.
This is Angel.
We na de won se ho. We ni pa chi hwe se kan. Se kayo.
Ito do se ni echi ni.
Agradaa, the Ghanaian televangelist, was sentenced to 15 years in prison on July 3, 2025, for engaging in charlatanic advertisements and defrauding by false pretenses. However, she hasn't begun serving her sentence yet due to administrative processes. According to Ibrahim Kwarteng, CEO of Crime Check Foundation, Agradaa is not currently at the Nsawam female prison because the court needs to complete necessary procedures, including issuing a warrant for her transfer to jail. This delay is attributed to the timing of her sentencing, which occurred just before a holiday, resulting in a backlog of administrative tasks. There are also reports of Agradaa facing another case in court, where she's accused of posting nude pictures of a pastor on her TV channel without consent. The High Court has ordered her to appear on July 30, to answer to these charges. It's worth noting that some videos and reports have surfaced online, including one of Agradaa allegedly arriving at Nsawam prison on the day of her sentencing. However, the Crime Check Foundation has debunked claims of Agradaa being attacked in prison by a victim of her fraudulent activities, stating she hasn't been transferred there yet.
Before we dive into Agrada's issue, let's talk about Kwaku Bonsam, a renowned Ghanaian traditional priest. Kwaku Bonsam has spoken out against charlatan fetish priests who demand human parts for blood money, labeling them scammers. In Angel FM interview, he stressed that ritual killings are ineffective and advocated for animal sacrifices as an alternative for achieving wealth. Additionally, he called on the police to take action against fake fetish priests who damage the reputation of genuine traditional priests. Let's watch what he said.
Na ya na de bia ni pepi ka so konfo amentiase eche se Angel FM se okọ ogugu na na kwaku bonsam ne Agradaa wonya meni no ho story amaka kra no ebeburu 20 ma ka because onwo djuma ye no yesi betekali adoso ntimi hu kramo papa.
This is Angel.
Edru semre ya ko taxi station bia obienu an unti ohima wo yeje okomoti adem kra uti ohima wo yeje setwa wo to ohima wo yeje what I say na se ba 1 2 3 hoso kra and na se donko plus 33
baby
na gibia na sebe abua bia wo sua wo special sua prokwa je se wo do sade bibidi na wo sade no so abedo wo hwe ye wo hu ano ebi ni dia ada bia ane ye ka hwe mami si so o start ya pe na yesi omampanyini ekwa akopɛ bosia anam se na dobo mani wo ha me na kwaku bonsam me koka no mo TV station ba kwa City TV kamema he says selesi ye fensen papa ye wo ko na anu ye akufado yesi wo ko kamema no kuku 2 billion
ado show boy
anti papa titi ano. Wow. Sate papa te tare pensulo kamema kukutu billion. But dobu mani ni ho. Ma is dobu mani ho wo nipa ko a de ha dwene se muntie ni ye me patwo muntie enye se ma me na konsu yim ana me bedix no. Me pat obianti ne me kwaku bunsam say I will speak the truth until I die. With that truth nothing else. Ma me no emlebi me de no asema otwunoku se one ne nkasa. Kwame team katache obi dim di pinch ba abo no hot FM me de ho asem koma no na deduam kotokro me de ho asem ma no me nua bigger quiz me ka chen se bigger quiz de okoy advert na ma no me ka chen se ade na oye me bigger quiz na trans ye video e de against no oko ne camp no mko dile video do no every YouTube ni nyina na ya ade a eye ade a eni ho there is no double money in this world ba ma me no eya nipa na ko no agin sika kura agya ama nko na the way they beat people amudi ipa bi fa so sebe produce sebe nyado na chese anu onyan me na kwagu say mitimi ntwantro that I have the evidence and the proof unse maame no oye no say oye konfo nti no obi asu say na kwagu say konfo etom ko na se de kwhye o mani wi a wo say na taxi driver de bia ba akra asapema nana we de obi kwa Agradaa ho ni abono ana wo say emfa na say so tom for taxi rank for ni amanfo mo ha me nyame anim ni se de bia sika beto aduane ye dia na me so amanfo ko wa ono ade no hu se kwagu say wa amame hu wako ekogi wie de motam na be
ya bo no wie ne de ha na ebre se so of my
maame mi wo nipa ene a me be bai ana me call mai me gogo ye friend saying me gogo we no baby ana photos store gogo store ana me call ho na me ko yi pictures manya pictures price kuta pictures be 20
I see you have
nipa me ba ko do the blog e bo born in 9
sir.
Oh, me say
e ko obetimi agye de akere ya na
me ba no me ba 1 2 3 ati mi save yi hwe we say blog hwe blog
ene ye de born in 9
ai ne om de born in 9 blog ye tanu beto na mtam no eti me de no call ye ho no sapema yo ayi hospital kitikiti bi wo ho eti ayi abai hospital kitwa no ye
mo fa mo camera nan capture mo camera nan capture
me de ahwe camera na hwe
fa chire camera
ai wo hwe me
mo tune camera nan fa ma
ni phone eti ye de blog born 9 no me na me de say ni pa no
some of them blood near the enti mo fa camera nan capture
Eko hospital we nkoda me ba akwa we wonsuni woko the bread bone moja o can I tell you
moja na wona tade enu musa no
and wona tell you
we are live on Facebook Angel 102.9 and a DJ Ohimawuah also on TikTok
me ana meka mini akwa mintim no hot FM na me so kwa me bra adidie mu adanse eni na je dua kotokro no afiri ena dis akwa we de hospital
etina trese wo ko na se won san kan ya wo hwehwe no na san ba se bia wo ba baju sika aka na ya che wa hwe
o ba we si ho ba ya ompo no ma na so na efiti
tenu ni ehu
na de ha adwen ba akwa me de be kire se o mo de sika abu o mo chi no
sa
me ba
This is Angel.
mi wie na de won se hwe we ni pa chi o se kan sika yo
ito do se ni echi nie
na me me open 90 time me ko 19 2011 2009 picture kura me nyama eni hwade o ni pa chi o ye de second na hwo
obese ni pa ye cutlery set
uni abadaye ade na wo ye no waje obisika wasam ya bono na ni nyina no ho ya na etoda bia me kan ho asem Egypt dampale me kan yo sem ade yo yese yo na me boy soldier police fodin na wonim se sa ayi baby owo no so tum police fo na omho no me say yoko fo so mkwaje Agradaa file na ewo ho no omkwaje no under investigation na police fo no omho ni nyina no yo say yi o madi si atrafo ko wagadi gukura na e wo say police ni yi na di because
this is Angel.
Woman ni nipa ho sabi a police for be ni nipa ho kra what they think is their belly they don't think about the human being how people are suffer me mo sa pe man o process here yanko amasama police station obi ni ho me case ba kokra ni am yanko akomadan me kroman kasa me case bie ni ho obetima kasa ko kumusima yi me say da me case o amasama police say me ni ayi asasefo nya asem ene ko police station me call report ye asa unhu se se ko kubu nsam ma je obi sika ma bo obi asum ma ye sei na me ahode ni bi wo hen politics nam ko ye ne ye hwe me
oh say did you say that
yes of course what has
it the picture is painted as so say ebinum to me tomra no nse ko ba ne samra na nya adwuma because like you have mentioned no nipa pi so to police station there onya ko report a ebe bounce Ayawoka. I remember so many years ago at my previous radio stations, ne padrodoa aba me show so abako with musica koka or sanko say or kwakodia as I say and same bebre till today. Finally no sa sentence ye abano. I to say the fact that on the back corner police for the back or say corner cordane de nache say nipa timi tombrano. Nipa timi to the whole police ejuma no. And I say
yes, because yo, I didn't know sebi prebiasa sebi nyado. Me comfort me come. Obia ni se me dia me started the combesi ye eye nana ko akubonsam. Okọ American, okọ Poasiu, okọ Israel, okọ hino nana ko akubonsam. Me dwadwam me kom ema sante hene hunu me kom ema aman hene anipa bebre nim se nana ko akubonsam de oye komfo. I'm a traditional priest. Na sabi preduasa na nipa yi baako hwe nipa Agradaa enti omawu hwe me enye se me mapache o atalu yeseme no de enti am se atalu yeseme ko tena ko TV ko paache eno anam de ko bungo todwe no oko YouTube abo na ko mu se YouTube se ko TV na mabungo todwe atalu ya na hye na me Agradaa na me pache o man
102.9
hwe enipa awu ewo mami we nsa no enye se wanye case na make o me mafatia kan ho asema kam se min kam nti se me to wisi se de wo se di matem no mami we di matem ewo na so dem sa tru kwasempa nyini sebe no ogyaje ho o
tire
asiama nim nyansa nim nyansa wan me na kwa kumisa na me ka che o se asiama nim nyansa
102.9
Agada nua bi ho onim nyansa papa woni Agradaa se we bema de so akoto gate mo nkoto gate mo no Agradaa woni asiama ukọ wale oba wohema ruma konta de wi asini nkola no eye modernization capolos and tenenta kacho it's nice we are boni okunu onka
obeka
we the boni pe your husband will tell you say what you are going is a fire return back but would ye wo ya bema wunim nyansa ntina age ho ye ho wagisia ye sika no wagigini nyina woka hu bi eti wugire ya ade nanya wotimi kanje se de wo ye nenye
o si aiding and abetting na
dia be
o si aiding and abetting so say no say a crime o so only obi you know you agree on whatever that the crime
you account for this for the push you gather to do the work what I say
it's o aiding or boy
yes you are supporting you are the good also making what di matem sofu bi akofa me baba tie ni ye se me di for asu di for
okay
sofu bi wo Ghana wagini kaka na sofu no huye mahi no me se wo hwe ya de amaye no wo ba ka Agradaa si yenyi no na wo papa chew na one son pa bi antena wo ko fa me baba no 25 years ana wo sofu no ko fa ne ba ayi me baba no akasakasa na sofu no bi ko se na chi ana on push akwara na ko redu na me se da bi me mpene eti me kaya no me kwa na me kaya na nipa oye interview no twtwa so se na den no na me se akwara no Agradaa ti case na wan frame yo gwagubu nsam wo adura ukofi no ha ko bia du batwe sorry
This is Angel 102.
Nana ukansa
mano afọ ni na tiba na point media fra wo yechia wo se obi afa obanim afa ne to atiti ne to homa
so ndi also o mani kunu kra papa ne to ma fa ne
de aka afedie ana odi ato na so de mu no di matem guma ni mas ana ba ma kwese pan ni so je yes kwagubo ni he wonye sei ana me fa tetifon ana me frɛ number na ni kunu ne fa uta kodo no yi ni America e wo mse woni nyansa de make wo hwe me life ni nsuro no enya no akwa kam ni se na nim kra se na nim no ayi bi na ma mu de fam wani mu no unse wani ye clean won ya na se wo de bi fa na nim
o so twi makeup
ananim no ra hu se na nim te se me de ya
o sa so just o twi makeup ana
o twi ade bi unse wo video bi ana ni wa se buruni
filter
oh,
you so filter.
Yes, no. And no one for behind them say one would say kwaku. So ma wojiri ha manfo.
Hey, Nana.
Ana. Me friend Nana say hello, Nana kwaku mu samdi. And so me du ma nua ba na no kure ni. Ota oye good. And am ne kasa am say Agra na na ya mekati na mso mekati me ye che hutu na mko bungo todwe ahemfo kwa frem se me ohini kwa se bungo todwe pa che o ma woni mpanyifo amko wo watima se wa frem na wuguo egu mi ni sofu na nim ase didi sofu na me ba se me na me ne beda nipa na wonne me ba no koda me ba no 25 years me kwa bia na me 20 years eti enye news so obi ne me ba koda ebe na me so manya badin enye news aden ana wudi mata won wa sorry dem o jajankas ana me se bi donya me kasoro ka fom wudi anyina te Ghana ha ebehu so se kofi ni ebehu de beto wo so ye ba wano odin me nkaso me ma social media o aduma everything secretly now penugwase be count
okay
hwe tete o danse hom na etie mi a me na me say condition papa bi e bom ho ye the 16 ne hu say ho wo so condition ni nyina aka wo Agradaa yi obi a sebe producer wo mo di na ti nyina sebe wo mo nim nyansa na wo se wo mo me se mak bibia na me wo bolega wo ya dia bi da wo hye ne bosom so wo hye bosom nya bosom wo koto na art center wo koto ne ma no art center ana odi bego no odi pada agu ho wo bia nipa woni ne yesa aduma na wo so ye rasta man wo di pada agu no so se wo ye bosom no beko no osini nkyai ewi a chochi ni tum so wo godi 250 million meanwhile wo wa jama fo sika billions nipa wo mawu e wa Agradaa nsa no enye nipa ketwa nipa wo magu wo mami wei wo mo prison wo mo wo ayi ye fer say anya heart attack Woma sabi ya bomb dia mu mawu because the person go for loan and what the bro wuji skanu ya wo de waji skana manenko na bono wa chire no aden
afei abusuan yenji nsem no mu chire mu emfam free crime check foundation ho pe eye ni chire mu a ode ba ye ne de abra ye jeri Agradaa 15 years with hard labor no according to crime check foundation say Friday no na eye holiday and a Saturday so wa woni tua say eye government eye workers enkwadwuma etihwebe na ohwese ene de after say abra no ye video no achi no bakwa kohwe say Agradaa ewo eye Nsawam ana say abusuan Agradaa no but pen check no time a ene dua oye video ni de obusa ne say Agradaa eni ho na de ama asem no aba bibi pa amane ka no ayeka ai bibi ne say utie de ma twins be kan no so a ono so se pe ono so nkomo a wodi ye no e kire say de Agradaa ko Saturday no and crime check foundation so ye video no ene Monday a ono so confirm say Agradaa ni ho enti abusuan amansem no akoye bibi bia wo ho antiase no akoye bibi basa amanfo nhyada antiase enti de question manfo busa ne say Agradaa wo hemfa owo Nsawam ana say Agradaa eni Nsawam we ayasem sebe yentie crime check foundation abusuan emra eye sisiye
yinu aba Patricia asedua ni dia ni papi di ni mo ye frɛ no Agradaa yenyina ne masama eto no last week Thursday Accra Circuit Court sentenced him to 15 years in prison ayare hosem yenu ano court ka say the sentence no it comes with hard labor into onko Nsawam female prison na onko she sa akwanto yase yena mo ka say ye checks kire say oni Nsawam female prison inti yenu aba ena wafa yes sentencing on Thursday na ye nwumre there are a lot of administrative procedures court no unfortunately Friday was a holiday she couldn't have been taken to prison because administrative procedures no way won't mean for court. There's a so many BBI warrants and you know that kind of thing. It's a bit bureaucratic, and Friday was a holiday. Into probably, and now I'm sure say a year about almost never cop. Na so yadi eni ako say ampa wababetu. Into for now no, I would say all these speculative stories about Obiakwa assaulted in prison should be dismissed with a vicious wave of the left hand. The real aspects of pain, a lot of scholars are true about your scholars be on true book be titled The Pains of Imprisonment. Pain, they are so psychological. If business and Agradaa won't be the videos are all sounds dress kama omo ye neji bebre na all of a sudden you've been pushed into a space. Let's forget about say hoye time say home put to say hotel the confines, the walls, the tall walls ore video ya and na de gugu so na wa we na Agradaa wo de wo na ene ye show time ada 4:30 it's a order and wait, oh God. And no, that torture and no enema imprisonment. Yeah. And you're not better than any of it.
I mean, leaving businesses behind on Kuala. So about 5 years with John Hawk prison in the
Enema prison. Yeah. And this is a huge figure coming into the prison. Yes, you're contemplating. So we may have to perhaps visit her, obviously. Na chichire ne rekakra